Welcome you all. In today's session, we are going to see about 12th standard question paper and evaluation of marks for this question paper. So here we are going to start our session. This is your question paper pattern, you can see on your screen. So your paper is of 70 marks having 3 hours. So basically 70 marks are divided into 4 sections: A, B, C and D. So in a section, it contains 10 MCQs. So each MCQ carrying 1 mark. Then again in a section there is question number 2, which contains 8 question of very short answer type of questions, which carrying 1 mark each. Section B, question number 3 to question number 14, which contains 12 short answer type of questions carrying 2 marks each. Section 3 or section C, it starts from question number 15 to question number 26, which is having 12 short answer type of questions carrying 3 marks each. And last one is your D section, which is starts from 27 and ending on your 31st question. So so in a D section you have 5 long answer type of questions which carries 4 marks each. So one instruction is here that whenever you are writing answers of MCQs, you have to write your answer with its alphabet. So means what? Suppose you have given 4 options like A, mass, B, force, C, current, D, voltage. Suppose C is your answer, so you do not write only C, you have to write C with its answer current. So C current, like this you have to write, then and then you will get mark for that MCQ. So weightage of learning. So your paper is actually based on your knowledge, your understanding level and your application and skill level. So knowledge based question will be of 30%, understanding will be of 42% and application and skill oriented will be of 28%. So out of 98, 29 marks will be for knowledge based questions, 41 marks will be for understanding based questions, and 28 marks will be there for your application base. So difficulty level of your question paper. So this is very important slide, how difficulty level is going to be there for paper. So here your difficulty level of HSC board is of 20% only, average is of 50% and easy is of 30%. So you can see on your screen. So you will get 29 marks for easy questions, you will get average 49 marks for average questions and 20 marks for difficult questions. So how your marks are divided on the basis of questions. So MCQ is having 10 marks, VSA is standing as very short answer, so it is having 8 marks. SA, short answers type 1, which is carrying 2 mark each. So you are going to have total 24 marks for section short answer type 1. So short answer type 2, it is carrying 3 marks each. So overall 36 marks are there for short answer type 2. Long answers, you have 5 questions there, so 4 marks for each question and in total 20 marks for long answers. So total 98. So out of 98 you are going to solve for 70 marks. So this slide is same as your third number slide, so there is no need to explain again about it. Now this is going to be important slide. Now how your theory and numericals are divided in each section. Now see here, MCQs. In a MCQs you will have 7 theory questions and 3 numericals. So again in A section, another question, it will have very short answer type of questions. So it will have 6 theory questions and 2 numericals. For in a B section, it is of short answer type 1 questions. So 7 theory questions will be there and 5 numericals will be there. For C section, 7 theory questions plus 5 numericals will be there. And in a D section, you will have 2 marks for theory and 2 marks for numerical. So you can see here, your C section is going to be important. So short answer type 2 means you have to write the equations, you have to write long answers, not so much long, but long answers of your questions. And in a D section, whatever question will be there, it will definitely going to have 2 marks theory and 2 marks for numerical. So time management. So once you got information about how your question paper pattern is, time management is also important, because you have 4 sections, 31 questions for 70 marks within 180 minutes or within 3 hours. So for MCQ, you should give 20 minutes, or 20 is more than enough to deal with. 20 minutes are more than enough to deal with MCQs. Then very short answer, 6-10 minutes are enough to deal with your very short answers. Then section B, so you should give 40 minutes to write answers of section B. Section C, so section C is actually consuming so much time out of 180, because as I said that it is going to have equation part and long answers part, so it is going to take that much time. So 64 to 65 minutes you should give to your C section, and D, it is in 30 minutes you can deal with your D section. So overall, this is only slight idea how should you divide your time when you are going to write your answers of question paper. So writing question paper, it is not going to be that easy. You have to write it in a proper way. You have to write answers with very what we can say there, you have to write your answers with very clear idea in your mind what we are writing about. So it is not compulsion to end your section within these time limits, within this particular time limit, but try to end your sections near to this time limit, so you will have last 10 minutes to cross check your paper. So this is HSC board practical examination pattern. So in this pattern, whenever you are performing practical examination, you have to draw circuit diagram, you have to perform your experiments, you have to mention formula regarding whatever experiment is there. So you can see on in the marks column. So for each and every activity there is some marks are given. So a practical exam is actually divided into 3 parts: one long experiment, one short experiment, and one activity. So one note is here for you, that the whatever examination pattern we have gone through now, it may changes, not compulsorily, but it may changes or will be continue the same pattern for 2021. So be alert about your practical and theoretical examination pattern. Whatever whatever be the changes there, you will be informed about it. Till then, stay alert, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.